Hi, Todd Morn here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like the return of the heat is on the way after another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of this Thursday. A look at Pinpoint Doppler here, middle of the afternoon, shows the activity that we have currently across the Arklatex. You can see a bit more coverage as expected over the southern half of the Arklatex, and all of these cells basically moving towards the southwest. And we'll probably see this activity decrease during the evening. And for an updated view of what's on the radar when you're looking at this, you can see the latest image below. Meantime, let's take a look at the weather pattern. And what's going to be happening here is that we will see the upper level ridge, which recently has been centered more towards the north and west. It's going to expand back over the Arklatex, and that's going to shut off the rain and also crank up the heat, as now it looks like we could see some triple digits once again during the especially first half of next week. So here's a look at the next few days with Robin Sawyer Futurecast. Before I show you the forecast, let's take a look at Robin Sawyer Futurecast. You can see that tonight we will see the scattered activity across the region come to an end, as we'll see the clouds also probably begin to decrease. Expect a mix of clouds and sunshine across the area tomorrow. Again, a stray shower will be possible, but the chances will be highest over the southern sections of the area, and even there, probably 20% at best as far as the rainfall chances tomorrow. Going through tomorrow night, expect a clearing sky, and Saturday we will start the weekend with lots of sunshine and just a few clouds mixed in. That sunshine likely will continue through the rest of the weekend into the first part of next week. You can see the upper level ridge gradually expanding more towards the south and east. It'll get closest to us as we look ahead to Tuesday, and it's at this time that we very well could see highs in the upper 90s to near 100. Notice a big upper level low here across the northeastern sections of the country. We're going to see a little disturbance work around the east side of this trough, actually west side of the trough, east side of the ridge, and that's going to push a frontal system into the region that'll give us a shot for some rain as we look ahead to the end of next week. And with this ridge getting nudged back to the west, it also means that temperatures will once again drop below normal. Now, as far as rainfall potential, models have decreased the projections now compared to previous runs. You can see, generally speaking, the heaviest rain very well looks like it could happen over the southern sections of the area. You can see more consistent 1-inch totals down towards Natchitoches. Amounts elsewhere, probably around a ½ inch would be a reasonable expectation, although we could see a few totals here and there in that 1 to 1.5 inch range. So now let's take a look at your forecast for tonight. Again, any rain across the area should end. We will see the clouds decrease a bit late tonight as temperatures fall into the low to middle 70s, right around 73 in Texarkana, looking at 74 in Shreveport, 73 in Marshall. Tomorrow, again, partly cloudy sky, scattered thunderstorm possible mainly over the southern half of the area, as daytime highs will climb into the low to middle 90s, right around 93 in Shreveport, 93 in Texarkana, 93 degrees also for the high temperature tomorrow in Linden. These temperatures below that normal of 96, but we will likely climb above normal by the time we close the weekend. 97 Sunday, back up close to 100 by Tuesday. And notice Wednesday, Thursday, pretty good shot for some scattered showers, thunderstorms, and a few models indicating the scattered activity could pick up again as we look ahead to next weekend, as highs should retreat back to the upper 80s to lower 90s late next week. Overnight lows, for the most part, will be in the middle 70s, and we will see those lows drop into the low 70s by the end of next week. So again, it looks like the trend in weather, drier and hotter as we go through the weekend, with our next best chance of rain holding off until the end of next week.